irrigation scheme, and come with us. Let's explore the place.
So, you can see it's fleshy.
Duck. Wikithuki irrigation scheme. Here we come. Which way? This one or? Oh yeah, this one. This a railway line. What can I see? What's that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Mimi kana za maji. Ghost angeuliza what kind of marafaki. Hata lazima.
What? Tumefika Wikithuki irrigation scheme, and come with us. Let's explore the place.
So,
yes, say something.
What's up, guys? Kim TV is back. We are trying to revive this channel. It's been a minute, and today, look what we got here. You know, huh? Nasikia aje? Kuja.
Action!
Action.
Action!
Duka. Yeah, duka.
Duck. Wow! Goja.
Oh no. As you can see, it's fleshy, it's chewy, and it's very sweet. Yeah? Yeah.
You will finish. Can you give me? Do I suffering? Do I?
That's the end of it.
What's wrong with this?
This is your viewpoint.
Inakaa kama zile huwa naonanga kwa movie.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
To record it. Usimama hapo mimi.